How to assign people to Monday. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a task and assign people for it. So we are going to head over the theme or the Monday workspace of ours. So it is going to be like that. What are we going to do is to select the workspace that we have. Once we have selected it, you can go ahead either and visit the board or create, for example, something else. Like here we have docs, we have the forum or the folders. Now I'm going to preferably use a board because it is going to be the task manager for ours. So you can see that we have the test, or I have named it test basically, and you're going to see the tasks with three groups. I think two. I have a missing out of a group in here, which is going to be here in progress. We have to do and complete it. Now, as you can see, we're going to have the task name, the owner or the assignee, the status, the due date, priority, and etc. How we can assign someone into a task. As you can see, if you're going to have, for example, a favicon of a name or an account, as you can see colored like that, that means it is going to be assigned to someone. But if you're going to have it, as you can see, like that empty, you can go ahead and click it and see the team member. You can either select the suggested people, as you can see in here, that has been, um, let's say here, moving through your account, or you can go ahead and click on invite a new member by email, type in your email in here and click on invite a new member. So I'm going to assign that for this one, and here we have it. I'm going to add another task, so you're going to see the process from the beginning. The task is going to be named, for example, here, let's say audio filtering. So this is, as you can see, the task. Now I can go ahead and click on the task, and then I can add a description for it. I can insert some files, or also I can mention the peoples that I want to assign for. So I'm going to let here the people that you're going to have. You need, for example, to create the adequate, for example, or the let's say here suitable filter to this audio file, and you're going to have the file attached. Then we are going to update it. So this is this description. As you can see, it has detected it as a comment. Now we are going to click on the owner or the assignee and click on the same person that we have tagged, or we have called in here. For the status, we're going to have it as not started. So for due date, you can go ahead and add a due date. For example, I'm going to give it until we are going to have this. The priority is going to be a little bit high because we are going to need that file instead, or in order to have the audio published. You can add some notes, for example, action items, meeting notes, or other, for example. And also you are going to have the budget. For example, I'm going to have it for $100. Now for the timeline, you can go ahead and set up a date from the, let's say here, 31st to, let's see here, April 3rd. So I'm going to have this timeline. And here, as you can see, I have assigned the specific person and also the team member, and I have created the task. If you want to put a reminder for the specific assignee, or maybe they haven't connected to their account yet, they are maybe not going to receive the notification until they are going to head over the dashboard. So what can we do in here is to create an automation. So for example, I'm going to have the automation, and we're going to click on add a new automation. We are going to create an email automation. For example, if an item is going to be created, we're going to have a, or the trigger is going to be an item as created. We're going to do an action. And this action is either to notify someone. For example, you're going to have the item name, the also the status, the owner, and the budget, and also maybe the priority. You're going to select someone, and then you're going to have, for example, the team. I'm going to have here the team, or you can go ahead and have maybe people on the column. So I can go ahead and select maybe people on the column. So you can go ahead and click on owner. So then you're going to have them notified. Or you can go ahead and redeem that or delete that. And we're going to head over the Gmail and set up the email. So we are going to have our email. So we are going to have the item name, the board name, the username, and also the owner, status, and the budget, and also the priority. To someone, we're going to select here from the emails or team members. You can go ahead and head over here or people. So you're going to select to owner. We are going to have it to the owner, maybe. And also, you can go ahead and select maybe the team members, and then you're going to have them just right there. That was pretty much it. So you can go ahead and create for each one of the tasks. For example, you're going to have them all together, and then you're going to create the automation just like that. So do not forget to add the subject to your automation, and here you have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.